This is fitness coach Siddharth, and I came up with one of the important topic, that is aging. This is very much important topic for your fitness, even for your health as well. And many of us doesn't know about this because we haven't think more than the weight loss or building up the muscles, and we got up many of the injuries while having exercises or having many of the meals at different aging parts. So basically, if you wanted to know about it, first thing you have to do it, watch this video till the last. Okay, and the second thing, subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on the Insta so you can get this kind of valuable things ahead and ahead. All right, so let's come back to the topic again, that is the aging. We can divide into the two parts. One part is the growing phase, that is 0 to age of 25 is your growth phase. Okay, after 25 is something like the degeneration phase, where your 5 different systems, basically the bones, muscles, metabolism like your digestion process, your heart and blood circulation systems, and the brain, that is your nervous system, this is getting impacted very high level. And you can see nowadays how much stress we are handling, how much travel, commute we need to do it for different purposes, for our work especially. So these factors are really important in your fitness. Yeah, so watch my presentation which I just loaded after this video, and then I will come on the solutions. All right, thank you very much. So guys, if you check the presentation, then you will come to know there are 5 different systems and there are many of the disorders coming with the aging. Okay, what exactly the solutions? Many of the people will be asking me, what should I do? Okay, so I'm going to give you the solutions. These are all are together is the anti-aging. We cannot separate this. Okay, number 1 will be the exercise, mobility. To do some of the exercises, it's certainly important. Get the exercise plan from your coach, your exercise trainer, and get his or her monitoring onto yourself. Okay, number 2, that is the sleep. 7 hours, remember, 7 hours in the night sleep is really important. Don't sleep in the afternoon, it will be low down your metabolism, you will be aging faster. Number 3, that is the nutrition. Many of the people like this part, having the diets and the fat things into your meals, but it is not going to be long lasting. Your meal plan from the nutritionist is really important. It is going to be help you to have this anti-aging effect together. So stay tuned, watch my next video, that is more about the exercise programming, your fitness assessments, so it can be help you to count your fitness from here on. All right, so stay tuned, I'll be see you very soon. Just like this post and subscribe, you can follow my Instagram. So let's go ahead.